For the last 20 years, the business world operated on a simple premise: buy the right software, and your operational problems will disappear. Instead, companies accumulated dozens of disconnected apps for billing, marketing, and customer management, leading to a crushing wave of software fatigue. This diagram exposes the flaw in that model. Software is passive. Every time you add a new spoke to this wheel, a new CRM or marketing tool, you increase the manual labor required for a human to interpret and move data between them. As these data inputs accelerate, the human operator hits a physical limit. We call this biological friction. The constant context switching and administrative drag cause the entire workflow to fracture. Acquiring more software tools often decreases overall efficiency. It forces your team to spend more hours acting as the connective tissue between your apps, rather than focusing on the business itself.
Tacking a basic AI chatbot onto this mess fails because traditional bots lack context and break when a field name changes. To fix the bottleneck, you need an autonomous operator capable of navigating your systems independently. This is the shift to labor as a service, or LAAS. Instead of a software subscription, you deploy a synthetic employee like Archer, an intelligent entity built to execute specialized technical work. The labor-as-a-service model commoditizes the technical effort itself. Your investment secures a finished result, such as a booked appointment or reconciled invoice, regardless of the underlying tools used to reach it. By automating the entire labor pipeline, LAAS decouples a company's operational output from its human headcount, allowing for scalability that isn't limited by your ability to hire. A synthetic employee requires a deep understanding of your specific operations to function. That starts with DNA mapping. A strategic team codifies your unwritten rules, your brand's tone, and your exact sales logic directly into the system. That mapped logic feeds into the Crossbow omnicortex. This is your synthetic COO. It operates continuously in the background, never waiting for a human prompt to begin its work. This diagram illustrates how the cortex operates through a high-frequency loop: trigger, observe, interpret, decide, and act. Look closely at the interpret phase. It cross-references unstructured context, like client email sentiment, against the mathematical reality of your revenue records, merging them to form a precise decision vector. Because this central brain is constantly running these causal simulations, it anticipates operational bottlenecks and triggers campaigns before you even open your morning reports. Intelligence requires a way to act on the world. The cortex executes its decisions through a central arsenal known as the quiver. As you see in this model, the quiver is loaded with modular skill packs called arrows. These are pre-trained capabilities tailored for highly specific industry tasks and advanced corporate operations. For example, the Loki Reddit arrow acts as an offensive capability. It autonomously infiltrates niche subreddits to post native peer recommendations exactly where your target audience is already talking. Internally, the Brutal Reality Reporter acts as an audit tool, cross-referencing AI leads against human missed call logs, exposing front desk revenue leaks. These arrows allow your business to deploy enterprise-grade tactics instantaneously, bypassing the months of training required for a human hire. To execute these tactics, the system requires true data sovereignty. It uses a secure digital credential known as the passport. Rather than acting as a guest on a third-party platform, the passport allows